In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Microsoft Teams with a code. If you've been invited to a meeting and the organizer shared a meeting ID and passcode instead of a direct link, don't worry, Microsoft Teams makes it pretty simple to join once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do it on Windows or Mac, and I'll also point out a few things to check before you enter the meeting so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once the app is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click Calendar. This is where Teams keeps your scheduled meetings, and it's also where you can access the option to join a meeting manually. Inside the Calendar section, find the Meet Now button. Next to it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open more options. From the menu that appears, choose Join with an ID. This is the option you'll use when you have a meeting code instead of a standard invite link. Now enter the meeting ID that was provided by the meeting organizer. Be sure to type it carefully so there are no errors. After that, enter the passcode in the next field. The passcode helps make sure only invited participants can get into the meeting, so it needs to match exactly as given. Once both pieces of information have been entered, click Join Meeting. Teams will then take you to the pre-join screen where you can review your settings before officially entering the call. At this stage, take a moment to check your camera and microphone settings. This is especially helpful if you haven't used Teams in a while, if you're using a different headset, or if you want to make sure the correct devices are selected. It's a good idea to confirm that your microphone is picking up your voice and that your camera is turned on or off based on how you want to join. When everything looks right, click Join Now. If the meeting is set up with a lobby, you may not enter immediately, and that's completely normal. In that case, just wait for the organizer to admit you into the meeting. And that's it. Open Microsoft Teams, go to Calendar, choose Join with an ID, enter the meeting ID and passcode, review your audio and video settings, and then join the meeting. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.